Aha ụmụ nwanyị n'asụsụ Igbo. Names of girls in Igbo language.
Nnedimma. Nnedimma, meaning mother is good or good mother. Short form, Dimma. Zikora na Chidimma. Zikora na Chidimma, meaning show the world that God is good. Short form, Zikora. Zikora na Chidimma. Chinonyerem. Chinonyerem or Chinonyerem, meaning God be with me or God is with me. Short form, Chino. Chinonyerem. Kamharida. Kamharida, meaning may I not fall. Short form, Kamha. Ifeoma. Ifeoma, meaning good thing. Short form, Ife. Ihechukwu. Ihechukwu, meaning God's light. Short form, Ihe. Anulichukwu. Anulichukwu, meaning God's joy. Short form, Anuli. Adaku. Adaku, meaning daughter of wealth or wealthy daughter. Short form, Ada. Zinachidi. Zinachidi, meaning show that God exists. Short form, Zina. Chizaram. Chizaram, meaning God answered me. Short form, Zara.
Ndewonu, ngwanụ ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.